Genevieve Behrend was the only student of Judge Thomas Troward. In my opinion, Thomas Troward is one of the greatest authors of the last 500 years, bar none. He wrote the Edinburgh Lectures on mental science, the Dore Lectures, mental science, the law and the word, creative writing. You know, just so much good stuff. Phenomenal author. He only ever had one student, just one, Genevieve Behrend. She was an American woman. She had to move to England. She had to come up with $20,000 in 1912. How much is that in today's dollars? It is a lot of money. She had absolutely no idea how she could come up with the $20,000, but she had to, because she wanted to study with him. And this wasn't something that was offered ever to anyone else. She was his only student. She memorized what is on this page. This is what she claims put her in his presence to study. This is so important. My mind is a center of divine operation. Now, let's just think of that. Do you know the most important letter or word in this whole piece of literature, or in that whole book, is A. My mind is a center, a center. There's a center in everything, but there's only one center, just one. Nothing has two centers. Everything has one. Isn't it strange? My mind is a center. It would indicate there's more than one. There's more than one. How could there be more than one? There isn't any outer ring. There's no outside measurement. You're dealing with something that's infinite. Therefore, any point is center. Everyone. There's as much on the right as there is on your left. There's as much above as there is below. There's much in front as there is behind. Your mind is the center of divine operation. Wow, me, Bob. My mind is the center of divine operation. Then she says the divine operation is always for expansion and fuller expression. This is so important. Consequently, in my own special world of which I am the center, it will always move me forward to produce new conditions, always in advance of anything that's ever gone before. All those good things, it's going to go beyond that. This is so big. It's so important.
I hope you enjoyed this video. We put a lot of good information up here, and it causes everything in your life to get better. If you'd like us to notify you every time we put a new video up, hit subscribe and then turn on notification. Check out all our videos, and we will notify you when we put a new one up.